In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. Start by opening your website in Squarespace. On the left side of your screen, under the Websites section, click on Pages. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your site. Find the page you want to duplicate and hover your mouse over it. A gear icon will appear next to the page name. Click on the gear icon to open the page settings. Scroll down in the settings window and you'll find an option labeled Duplicate Page. Click on that and a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your selection by clicking Confirm. A new page will now appear in the Pages list on the left side of your screen. You can rename this duplicated page if you'd like. If you want this new page to appear in your main navigation bar at the top of your website, simply drag it into the main navigation section. Once the page is added to the navigation, it will be publicly visible on your site. You can now further customize it by clicking on Edit, and that's how you can duplicate a page in Squarespace.